I've been representing the victims of motor vehicle accidents for about 20 years now, and so I get asked this question a lot. What are the most important things to remember or to do following an accident? I think the first thing to remember is don't ever drive away. Some people think minor impact, we'll shake hands, everybody's good, we leave the scene of the accident. That's never a good idea. And in fact, if somebody's been hurt, that can be a pretty serious crime. So don't drive away. Another thing to remember is before you call 911, just be very careful about getting out of your vehicle. Some people will be in such a hurry to get out of their wrecked car that they actually enter a greater zone of danger. And I've seen too many minor impacts turn into catastrophic situations because of that. So just be very careful, be cognizant of your surroundings and the traffic and the dangers that they present before you get and exit your vehicle. Another thing is take your phone and document the scene. Take photographs of the damage to each of the vehicles, photographs of any skid marks, of the intersection, if there are any bushes or trees that maybe encroach or impede your line of sight or anything like that. Photograph that because it may not be there the next day. It's important, I think, to get medical attention, and I think it's very important to do so very quickly. I mean, the same day is optimal. A lot of folks think, well, I'm not feeling any pain, I must be fine from this, only to find out, well, they're not fine, but they don't realize it for maybe a day or two or even a week or more later because the adrenaline from a car accident is amazing. One of the best painkillers on earth. So get medical attention as soon as possible and make sure there's not something going on with you medically that you're just not aware of. And maybe the last thing that I would offer is I always encourage people to talk to an attorney who handles these types of matters and do so as soon as possible. You have nothing to lose. Every lawyer that I know who handles these types of cases, we all do so on a contingency fee basis. We don't charge a fee to sit down and meet with us. So you got nothing to lose, everything to gain, and you can find out the answers to your questions and understand what your rights are, vis-a-vis the various insurance companies and everything else. So that's my best advice to people who have been involved in a motor vehicle accident.